shipwrecks, machineries, statues. It looks like the ruins of some long-lost civilization. But the only residents here are sea creatures, and the coral growing over these structures. They were placed here on purpose, and right now, they are being monitored on shore.
So what exactly are those things? Let's talk to the experts who are tracking them. Come on.
This is Wuzhizhou Island, just off the southern tip of China's Hainan province. This tropical province holds about 98% of China's coral reef resources. The importance of this ecosystem is what gave birth to the project I just witnessed.
屏幕上监测的都是什么东西？
这个也是我们未来第一个国家级的日态长牧场。现在人工鱼礁是恢复海洋资源的非常重要的一个方式。比如说，在水下一片区域因为生菌的退化，就很多鱼虾贝藻这些生物的话呢，它可能没有栖息、没有待的地方。那这里可能我们就在水下建房子，为这些海洋生物提供一个家园。
As of today, the project has deployed more than 80,000 cubic meters of structures where reefs can grow on.
绿水青山就是金山银山，这是金钱买不来的。所以这个保护这个海洋生态环境啊，是海南省一个最重要的任务之一。
But the story doesn't end here. We still need the answer to one more question.
那这些人工鱼礁为什么形状千奇百怪的呢？
乌日岛是一个比较知名的一个旅游小岛，可以跟这个情侣旅游结合起来，所以尽量可以多元化一点，更漂亮一些，吸引更多的一个观众。
So, 4 years ago, the coral conservation experts here had an idea. If people come here to dive all the time, why not invite them to help plant corals? There is no way I am going to miss something as fun as this.
My instructor, Wang Fengguo, has been working on coral conservation here for over 10 years.
那在下水前，您能否跟我们讲一讲，作为保育员潜到海底，您最想看到的是什么？最不想看到的又是什么？
我最想看到的是什么？我一下去以后，满眼的都是五彩缤纷的这种珊瑚，还有其他各种的这鱼类。不想看到的是什么？一下去，因为现在随着全球气温的变暖啊，全球的范围内的这个珊瑚的大面积在洗航，就是俗称作白化。
希望我们能看到我们想看到的啊。
With everything set, out into the ocean we walked. After years of efforts, coral coverage around the island has rebounded from under 15% to around 37%. Now, you can even occasionally see rare creatures like dolphins and spotted seals. After a few minutes underwater, an unusual sight emerged. Young corals were fastened to these nets, which might look bizarre, but it's what researchers developed to maximize young coral survival rates. We selected our coral babies, then carried them down to their new home on the seafloor. Once secured with straps, my tiny coral was firmly in place. May it grow strong in the years ahead and one day become a home for thousands of fish.
我们刚才移植的珊瑚宝宝，它成活并且健康成长的概率有多高？
因为我们刚才是在鱼礁上面移植，它这个珊瑚的形模概率至少在70%以上。比如说我现在种一颗珊瑚1厘米，可能过个1年以后，可能长到10多厘米，接近20厘米的一个样子。
I think I'm already starting to miss my coral baby.
Since the program began, visitors have transplanted over 30,000 corals. Wuzhizhou's planting sites sit quite close to tourist areas. That might sound counterintuitive for conservation. It does make protection more difficult, but when people come face to face with lives so fragile and beautiful, something may just click in their hearts.
在海底种下了属于我自己的一片小珊瑚，对环境保护起到了自己的一份力。
It also makes the conservation work here all the more meaningful.
这次种植这个珊瑚，你感觉怎么样啊？
很棒，很棒。
最大的愿望就是水下的珊瑚不需要我们去进行这个人工种植，它自己都可以生长。哪怕这项工作我不做这个了，那也没关系嘛，是吧？那说明这水下的生态资源已经恢复得非常的好了，对吧？